नई है दुनिया, नई है खुशियाँ, नई नई तेरी बुनियाद। जहाँ चले तू एक कदम, चले दो कदम, हम तेरे साथ, हाँ तेरे साथ, हाँ तेरे साथ, हाँ तेरे साथ, तेरी मंजिल के हैं हम सफर।
Good Modi Care morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the fantastic world of Modi Care. Today, your Modi Care is one of the fastest growing direct selling companies in the world, and we are creating an Azadi revolution across India. Congratulations to you all. And this is all because of our Samir Modi Azadi plan, one of the highest paying plans in the world, and second, our world-class quality products for every Indian. And amongst these super products, we have a superhero product, which is our Soul Flavors Active Rice Bran Oil. This product has helped lakhs of Indians accelerate their Azadi. But Mr. Modi's vision is very clear. He wants every Indian to live a life where he's Azad. And to make this happen, we have recently launched our Soul Flavors Active Rice Bran Oil pouch, which will help us to reach many, many more Indians. And to tell you in more detail about this product, with me today is my colleague, the Quality and Control Head, Mr. K.M. Agarwal, who will come and speak about this product in a little bit more detail. So let's welcome Mr. K.M. Agarwal, please, and listen to what he has to say about this superhero product. Mr. K.M. Agarwal, please come, sir.
Thank you, Prashant ji. Good Modi Care morning. Now I am going to tell you few benefits and of Soul Flavor Active Rice Bran Oil, why this particular oil is beneficial as compared to other oils, and what are the main USPs of this oil. First of all, let me tell you, this particular oil is being manufactured in world-class facility, which is certified by ISO, GMP and GLP system. We have full quality control systems to control the quality of this particular product. There is no chemical is being used in the purification process, means this particular oil is being refined through physical process, so you can safely use this particular product. It contains a natural antioxidant which we called originol, which is only present in rice bran oil. There is no other oil in the world wherever this originol content is there. What is the benefit of originol? Originol reduces bad cholesterol in the blood and it improves HDL-LDL ratio. HDL is a good cholesterol and LDL is bad cholesterol. So another point is it is having about 1350 milligram per 100 gram of originol, which you can say it is more up to 50% as compared to other branch oils. It has zero trans fat. Trans fat generally considered bad for health, so there is no trans fat in this particular oil. It is fortified with vitamin A and vitamin D2. There are a lot of benefits of vitamin A and D2. You people must be aware of the benefits of these vitamins. These are good for health. It has high smoke point. When you use this particular oil during cooking, it is due to very high smoke point. It is ideal for cooking. It is very light and less greasy as compared to other oils. And when you cook your food with this oil, you will consume 15% less as compared to other oils. So these are a few points which I shared with you. I think it will be beneficial for you and you can safely use this particular product. Thank you very much.